Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mueller, and today is MLD Monday, August 14th, 2023. Today's topic is, what are the three words that describe a successful team? You know what they are? And it doesn't matter what industry you're in, it's immaterial. They change things. Equine lymphatics are not well understood or managed in the states of the globe. Every single equine hands-on practitioner, whether you're a massage therapist, body worker, vet tech, physical therapist, or rehabilitation therapist, or any other hands-on practitioner, should understand the basic equine lymphatic structure, as well as be able to recognize and manage both visible and invisible lymphatic congestion. Steve Jobs said it the best. He said those people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones that do. Well, folks, I did just that. And I am one of Steve Jobs' crazies. I wear that badge of honor. Why? Because I created the first equine lymphatic curriculum. We've had students from Canada, the Netherlands, Australia, and a recent inquiry has come in from South Africa, not to mention the people from the States. Join us for an informative call on Wednesday, August 16th, 7 p.m., where we will explain the equine lymphatic industry and the journeys of possibilities as an equine lymphatic therapist. You can sign up at the registration link in this post. It will be recorded, so we will be also sending the recording out after the call. If you want any information about our program, email me at info@healequine.com. Take a look at our curriculum at healequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum. And better yet, schedule a call for me to discuss your possibilities as one of the crazies. And why? Because you can change things. Go to calendly.com/healequine/curriculum. And don't forget, put a ding in your universe for 2023. Believe in the possible.